You can tell how bad this typhoon, it will now end tomorrow. At 6:12 a.m., we're not sure yet if they would change, because it's so huge it killed many people so far. And
a typhoon alert is in effect for Tokyo. Until tomorrow at 10:51 a.m. Take shelter now. This will definitely destroy homes. Please take shelter now as this typhoon gets stronger. More information will be announced soon. Alrighty, we are back. As you can see in the bottom is the typhoon map. We will start with the first image.
subscribe to the RetroSignal channel if you do think. Hello guys.